Describing people, animals, and places. Do you understand the word describing? Have you ever described something to your friends or other people? Do you know how to describe something? Let's start. What is her name? Her name is Cute Girl. What is she like? She is funny and a troublemaker. What does she look like? She is fat. She has a black long hair in two pigtails and a short bangs. She also has unique eyes. How old does she seem? She is around 7 years old. What is she wearing? She is wearing a pink t-shirt. Let's try again with this picture. Who are they? They are schoolgirls. First schoolgirls, second schoolgirls. What does the first schoolgirl look like? She is tall and slim. She has black and long straight ponytail hair. What is she wearing? She is wearing a student's uniform and a yellow tote bag. What does the second schoolgirl look like? She is short and slim. She has black and not too long braided hair. What is she wearing? She is wearing a student's uniform and a pink tote bag. How about this picture? Let's try describing it in paragraph. There is a giraffe standing in front of the wall. It has a long and thin neck and also long and thin legs. It has a beautiful spot coat in a certain pattern. The giraffe stands on dirty and messy ground. The wall behind the giraffe are in strip pattern between brown, blue, and green. It is also a dirty wall with so high and wide size. Now, have you understand how to describe something? Let's check your understanding by doing this activity. Look the short movie below and try to describe the main actor. Mm-hmm. Let's describe it. The dog name is Pip. Pip is a little cute dog. It has white skin and full, round black eyes. It has a short neck and short legs. Pip is kind and helpful dog. It's always optimistic and never easily given up. How about you? Can you add another description for continuing this paragraph?